Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. I am Vidya Kopaka. This is my co-founder, Karan Syal. We are CAST and here to fight antimicrobial resistance. It's a growing epidemic that is set to claim as many as 10 million lives in the next few years, more than any other leading cause of death, including cancer. How did we get here? The problem is this. For every 100 patients that walk into a clinic with an infection, 15 come out with a wrongly prescribed antibiotic. Why is this? Because of the delay in diagnosing resistant infections. The state of art today is slow. It takes 3 days from sample to result. It's expensive, takes trained technicians to perform these assays and interpret the results. It's typically offsite. Our solution at CAST is based on an imaging and tracking technology that can deliver results from 3 days to 2 hours. How are we able to do this? But our target market here depends on two sectors. One, centralized diagnostic labs. This is where a bunch of these tests happen on a daily process. Multiple technicians work on these tests, but will benefit from having a product that will get to results much earlier. Second are hospitals that are plagued by acquired infections, where hospitals are forced to pay thousands to their patients in treating them. Having a right diagnostic that's able to identify these patients earlier will help them save millions. The benefits we offer come from the fact that we are a culture-free methodology that makes our product 20 times faster. Also, being 80% cheaper, we'll find our product easily adaptable by both hospitals and labs. This is where we'll save costs by one, not needing trained technicians dedicated to expensive instruments, and second, by helping hospitals identify critically ill patients and treat them and get early intervention and save thousands of dollars and not paying for HAI-induced infections. Of course, we do have competitors in this space.
All right, so our competitors include traditional companies which do AST tests in 3 days with instruments which cost 100,000 rupees. Our most recent competitors are companies like Accelerate and GeneWeave, which gives AST results in about 8 hours and also have expensive instruments. Our competitors also include molecular diagnostic companies, which are focused on detecting the resistant genes versus a cell-based approach. Our differentiation from them is that we cover a larger spectrum of resistant bacteria, as well as offer clinical endpoints, which is important to track with volume systems. What we are building is a platform technology aimed at multiple industries ranging from digital pathology, AST, and clinical trial application. Our focus for now is the $6 billion AST market growing at about 20%. Our current target market is the urine samples, which is about 1.1 billion in 2 key geographies. Our foot in the door strategy involves optimizing the tests which are done at point of care today, specifically the microscopic urinalysis and gram staining. The intent is to help our customers today to sell them AST tomorrow. Going forward, we intend to sell as an RUO device with a clinical and pharma setting in the next 18 months, followed by regulatory approval and commercialization. These projections are based on selling as an RUO device with a clinical setting and integrating in one clinical trial with the pharma company. Our comparables are companies who have exited in the recent past by selling to bigger medtech companies. The ask today is about 700K in safe and convertible notes. In the recent past, we have also won awards such as the Discovery Award by Longitude Prize, awarded to about 4 teams every year solving for this epidemic. We also were recently funded by the Gates Foundation to build this product for the developing world, such as India. Currently, our team is based out of both Bay Area and Chennai. In Bay Area, Vidya and me co-founded this. We're both IT graduates, PhDs from States. I'm essentially the business person, she is the tech person. In India, we're supported by a team of 5 to help build the product. Yeah, I think the eventual goal of what we're trying to do is to win the evolutionary war between resistant genes and microbial width and human width. Thank you.